Welcome back to my channel. I want to show you guys the DRL mod I did here on our 2014 Toyota 4Runner to get the LED high beams. So if you look in here, I have a LED bulb. It's the Cougars LED. I'll put a link in the description here. If you know about 4Runners and the LEDs and the high beams, you have to get a specific kit here really, or they'll flicker. So you can either buy like a $130 LED kit so they won't flicker and your DRL will still work. But I wasn't a fan of the DRLs here anyway for the high beam. Just lit up. So what I decided to do was I did the DRL delete, and it's really simple. So you'll go under the hood, you'll pull the relay box lid off, and the one you're going to want is this one right here. Hold on. You're going to want this HI, and the location of that, it's this gray one right here. There's a clip right here on this side, as you can see right here. Let me pull it out and I'll show you what I did here. So hopefully you can see, looking at it, clip on the bottom. This is the fuse or relay. If you look in there, the second pin is bent, and that's to disable the DRL. So the parking lights still work. When you turn on the parking lights, they come on. And these are the low beams. Let me go show you these. So I have the Morimoto LED fog lights, full replacement housings, and then I have a Morimoto H11B HID bulbs. And as you can see, it's easier to reach in. So this is the Cougar's bulb. It's fanless. There's two-sided. There's I think 8 LEDs total. Put the sticker back in there now. So yeah, and as you can tell, I don't know if you can tell in the video, there's no flickering at all. I don't have to worry about the DRL not working because I deleted it. These were $30 bulbs, I think. And yeah, they're pretty nice. I'm going to take you on a night drive here. Hopefully they'll come in good on video of what the high beams can do. So, alright guys, let's go for a drive. So these are the low beams. Those are fog lights, and these are the high beams. Hopefully they show up good on camera. We're gonna take the back way here, so I'll turn the high beams on. you can tell, the fog lights do fill in a good amount of the side. I'll stop here and shine them here on this. These are high beams. Turn them on. Let's go this way. So yeah, they're pretty, for LED bulbs, they're actually pretty nice. Usually LED bulbs aren't known for a great throw. So I don't know if it's just this reflector in this housing that's helping them do a good job or what, but like I said, all it took was a simple relay mod had been in that pin, and that was it. I mean, the downside, you lose your DRL, but you don't have to buy the $140 flicker-free LED bulb. So let me know what you think. Comment if you like the video, like it, and subscribe for more content. I appreciate it. Thank you.